Grow your mind, grow your business with Growth Union.
Dropshipping is a business model in which an entrepreneur sells products to customers without physically stocking them. In this business model, the entrepreneur partners with a supplier who agrees to fulfill the orders and ship the products directly to the customer. The entrepreneur only needs to market and sell the products and collect the payment. Here's how dropshipping works. The entrepreneur sets up an online store and selects the products they want to sell. The entrepreneur finds a supplier who is willing to dropship the products. The supplier could be a manufacturer, wholesaler, or distributor. The entrepreneur lists the products on their online store and sets the prices. They may also create product descriptions and photos to help market the products. When a customer places an order on the entrepreneur's website, the entrepreneur purchases the product from the supplier at a discounted price and provides the customer's shipping information. The supplier then packages and ships the product directly to the customer on behalf of the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur receives payment from the customer and keeps the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price paid to the supplier. The advantages of dropshipping are numerous. Number 1. Low startup costs. Since there is no need to purchase inventory upfront, the entrepreneur can start their business with minimal capital. Number 2. No inventory management. The entrepreneur does not need to worry about managing inventory or dealing with stockouts. Number 3. Easy to scale. Since the entrepreneur does not need to manage inventory, they can easily add new products to their store without worrying about storage space. Number 4. Location independence. The entrepreneur can run the business from anywhere since they do not need to handle the physical products. However, dropshipping does have some disadvantages. Number 1. Lower profit margins. The entrepreneur must sell products at a higher price than the wholesale price paid to the supplier in order to make a profit. This means that profit margins are typically lower than in traditional retail. Number 2. Limited control. Over the shipping process, the entrepreneur relies on the supplier to ship the product and may have limited control over the shipping process. Number 3. Potential for supplier issues. If the supplier runs out of stock, provides poor quality products, or ships products late, it can reflect poorly on the entrepreneur's business. In summary, dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without physically stocking them. While it has its advantages and disadvantages, it can be a low-risk way to start a business with minimal capital.